you should always do a Google search, and look back at page 2 and 3 and 4, because if somebody has a bad reputation, if something has happened in the past, they're going to try to bury it with a bunch of good press. So look at past page 1.
Yeah, and you got to make sure that the name of the person is the right person when you're on page 3 or 4,
Right. You can
because
be
some people, have the same name, and it may not necessarily always be there. Well, I know that you.
my middle name. There's a whole lot of Kim Taylors out there. So when I started practicing law, I decided to brand myself as Kim Lisa. There's not very many Kim Lisas out there. So
There you go. There you go. Now, I know that you are in the process of, and I think I saw a link here. Let me see if I can share it with everyone. Learn
yeah.
how to syndicate. It's a 1 day, or oh my goodness, and you're with the man himself, Vinny Chopra. Talk to me about this.
The infamous. Yeah, so we're going to teach a 1-day course. It's a 7-hour deal. We're going to be, I think it goes from 10 Eastern time to 7. Well, it says right there, 11 to 6 Eastern time. So we're trying to, cover both coasts. Vinny is going to teach the practical aspects of syndication, deal analysis, finding deals, talking to investors, all of the things that he's so good at doing and teaching. And I'm going to teach the part you need to know about securities compliance and deal structures, and how you can legally market your offerings. So I think you're going to get a lot out of that course. And we do have an early bird special right now. It's $100 off if you want to buy it soon. And we look forward to it. It's a virtual event. So, it's just 1 day. It's on a Saturday. So clear your calendar and make the investment. It's just $297. Yeah.
So if someone is unable to attend the session, will it be recorded and they'll be able to get access to a replay or something like that?
I'm not sure what we're going to do with all that stuff right now. I think that we're planning to have live Q&A at the end of each session. And I think, it's Vinny is, very busy world traveler. It's talk to him personally. I think, you would really miss out if you didn't get that opportunity to get that time to ask him specific questions.